Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today we're talking about a projector that may not be the newest kid on the block, but still packs some serious practicality for certain setups. The NEC NP-M260X 3LCD Projector. Now, first things first, this is a 2600 ANSI lumen projector, which means it's bright enough for classrooms, conference rooms, or even home movie nights if you control the lighting. That brightness is powered by 3LCD technology. So, unlike single-chip DLP projectors that sometimes give you that rainbow effect, you're getting consistent color performance without those distracting flashes. The native resolution is XGA, which is 1024 x 768, but here's the thing. This particular model supports full HD 1080p input over HDMI. So even though the native pixel grid isn't 1080, it can still take your HD content and scale it for display. For a lot of presentations, movies, or casual streaming, that's more than fine. And let's talk about build. NEC didn't go for flashy aesthetics here. It's a classic, functional design with ventilation on the side, a solid lens assembly up front, and an easy-to-use control panel on top. But you probably won't even need that much because it comes with a remote, which is part of the bundle along with a power cord and an HDMI cable. So you're literally ready to go out of the box. Connectivity is straightforward but solid. You get HDMI for your modern devices, laptops, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, plus VGA for older gear. And because it's an LCD-based system, color accuracy is solid right out of the gate, which is great if you're showing images, videos, or graphics that actually matter. Fan noise? At normal mode, it's noticeable but not overbearing, and in eco mode it quiets down quite a bit. Plus, eco mode extends lamp life, something you'll want to think about if you're using this regularly. Speaking of lamp life, NEC rates it for thousands of hours, which in practical terms means years before you need a replacement if you're not running it full tilt every day. Now, I'm not going to tell you this is going to compete with the latest 4K HDR projectors on the market. It's not built for that. But what it does do is deliver a dependable, bright, and sharp image for a reasonable price, especially when you consider this bundle has all the accessories included. For schools, small businesses, or anyone needing a solid projector for presentations and occasional media use, this is one of those it just works devices. Setup is straightforward. Keystone correction helps you square up the image if you can't get it perfectly aligned, and the menu system is old school but easy enough to navigate. It's a plug-and-play experience for most users. Plug it in, point it at a wall or screen, and you're good to go. For me, the real selling point here is that you're not buying into a just project in a pitch-black room limitation. At 2600 ANSI lumens, you can have some ambient light and still get a usable, watchable image. That makes it flexible, whether you're teaching a class, running a meeting, or having a weekend movie night with friends. So yeah, that's the NEC NP-M260X. Practical, dependable, and bundled with everything you need to start projecting right away. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly projector that does the job without fuss, this is a solid pick. If you want to buy this NEC NP-M260X 3LCD Projector, 2600 ANSI Cinema HD HDMI 1080p, bundle with remote control, power cord, and HDMI cable, then please visit the link provided in the description.